My best friend is someone really special to me. We've been friends for as long as I can remember, and I can honestly say they're like a sibling to me. We met when we were in elementary school, and from that moment, we just clicked. What I love most about my best friend is how caring they are. Whenever I'm feeling down or going through a tough time, they're always there for me, ready to listen and offer support. It's like they have this sixth sense for knowing when I need them the most. We also have so much fun together. Whether it's going to the movies, trying out new restaurants, or just hanging out at home, every moment with them is filled with laughter and joy. We have this shared sense of humor that only we seem to get, and it's one of the things that makes our friendship so special. Another thing I admire about my best friend is their determination. They have this incredible work ethic and never give up on their dreams. Seeing them achieve their goals inspires me to push myself harder and never settle for less than what I deserve. Overall, my best friend is more than just a friend. They're a constant source of support, laughter, and inspiration in my life. I feel grateful every day to have someone like them by my side, and I know our friendship will continue to grow stronger with each passing day.